Inflammation is your body's natural defense mechanism, a vital process that helps protect you from harm. It's how your body heals injuries, fights off infections, and recovers from everyday wear and tear. Acute inflammation is short-term and essential. It's your immune system springing into action, working quickly to resolve threats and restore balance. But there's a hidden danger that often goes unnoticed: chronic inflammation. Unlike the obvious swelling and redness of acute inflammation, chronic inflammation simmers quietly beneath the surface, sometimes for months or even years. You may not notice any symptoms at first, but over time, this silent process can slowly damage your cells, tissues, and vital organs. Modern life, filled with poor diet, chronic stress, lack of exercise, environmental toxins, and even poor sleep, can keep your immune system on constant alert, fueling this ongoing inflammation. Over time, this can lead to serious health problems like heart disease, diabetes, cancer, Alzheimer's, and many other chronic conditions. Chronic inflammation weakens your body's natural defenses, making you more vulnerable to illness, fatigue, and a general decline in well-being. The good news? You have the power to influence this process and support your body's healing. The foods you choose to eat every day can either fuel inflammation or help calm it, making nutrition a key factor in your health. By choosing anti-inflammatory foods like fresh fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and healthy fats, you can actively support your body's healing and restore balance. Your diet is a powerful tool for long-term health, helping to reduce inflammation and protect against disease. Make conscious choices every day, and you can help extinguish this silent fire before it causes lasting harm. Take control, protect your future well-being, starting from within, and give your body the chance to thrive. Chia seeds are a nutritional powerhouse packed with fiber, protein, and omega-3s, specifically ALA, which helps fight inflammation and supports overall wellness. These tiny seeds have earned their reputation as a superfood for good reason, offering a concentrated source of nutrients in every spoonful. These healthy fats play a crucial role in regulating your immune response, signaling your body to calm down when there's no real threat. By helping to keep inflammation in check, they contribute to a balanced and resilient immune system. Chia's fiber also feeds good gut bacteria, supporting a healthy immune system from the inside out. A thriving gut microbiome is essential for proper immune function, and can even influence your mood and energy levels. But chia seeds alone aren't enough to tackle chronic inflammation or provide all the nutrients your body needs for optimal health. Relying on one food is like building a house with just a hammer. You need a full toolkit, with different tools for different jobs, to build something strong and lasting. The body's inflammatory pathways are complex, involving many different signals and processes, and require a multi-pronged approach to manage effectively. That's where food synergy comes in. Combining certain foods amplifies their benefits, creating a more powerful effect than any single food alone. To truly fight inflammation, you need a team of anti-inflammatory champions, each bringing their own unique strengths to the table. By strategically combining foods with unique properties, you create a stronger defense and support your body's natural healing abilities. Chia seeds are a great start, but they work best as part of a broader strategy that includes a variety of nutrient-rich foods. Build a comprehensive system. Don't rely on a single ingredient. Think of your meals as a team effort, where every food plays a role. Food synergy is the key to lasting health, helping you get the most out of every bite and supporting your body in multiple ways. Let's explore how to create that powerful combination and unlock the full potential of your diet. Enter turmeric, the golden spice used for centuries in traditional medicine. Its secret weapon is curcumin, a potent anti-inflammatory compound. Curcumin blocks key enzymes and proteins that trigger inflammation, especially the master switch NF-kappa B. By shutting down these signals, curcumin helps prevent the inflammatory process from starting. Studies show curcumin can reduce inflammation markers, sometimes rivaling common drugs, without the side effects. Unlike chia's omega-3s, which build anti-inflammatory molecules, curcumin stops inflammation at its source. Together, chia and turmeric attack inflammation from two angles: building blocks and signal blockers. This dual strategy is far more effective than either alone. Combining them creates a powerful synergistic defense for your cells. Let's see how this synergy works in practice. Synergy means two ingredients together are more powerful than each alone. Chia's omega-3s provide the raw materials for anti-inflammatory compounds. Turmeric's curcumin blocks the inflammatory master switch. Curcumin prevents the fire. Omega-3s help put out any embers and repair damage. Research shows omega-3s can even boost curcumin's absorption and effectiveness. Nutrients work best together, not in isolation. Think of it as building both a strong structure and a security system for your body. This combination gives your body a comprehensive toolkit to manage inflammation. To unlock the full power of this duo, add a healthy fat like extra virgin olive oil or avocado oil. Curcumin is fat-soluble. Without fat, your body can't absorb it well. Healthy fats help transport curcumin into your bloodstream, maximizing its benefits. Olive oil and avocado oil also bring their own anti-inflammatory properties. This third ingredient bridges the gap, ensuring all components work together. The result, a complete, highly effective anti-inflammatory formula. Simple, whole foods combined for maximum impact. Now let's make this synergy part of your daily routine. Making this anti-inflammatory blend is simple, quick, and fits seamlessly into any daily routine. You'll need just a few ingredients: chia seeds, ground turmeric, a healthy fat such as olive oil or avocado oil, and a pinch of black pepper to round out the mix. Black pepper's piperine dramatically boosts curcumin absorption by as much as 2,000%, making this combo far more effective. To make it, simply mix 1 tablespoon of chia seeds and 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric, add a pinch of black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of your chosen healthy fat into half a cup of water or plant milk. Stir thoroughly and let the mixture sit for 10 to 15 minutes, allowing the chia seeds to absorb the liquid and create a pudding-like texture. You can enjoy this as a quick shot, or savor it with a spoon. Perfect for mornings, or as an afternoon pick-me-up. Prepare several servings in advance for extra convenience. The mixture keeps well in the fridge for up to 3 days. This daily ritual delivers a steady, reliable dose of powerful, synergistic compounds that support your body's natural defenses. It's a small, easy step with big benefits for calming inflammation and supporting overall wellness. Make this nourishing blend a daily habit and you'll be investing in lasting health and vitality. Start small with chia seeds if you're new. Gradually increase to a tablespoon. Drink plenty of water to help fiber move smoothly. Choose high-quality, organic turmeric and always add black pepper. If you're on blood thinners or have gallbladder issues, consult your doctor before adding turmeric. This blend is a supplement, not a substitute for a healthy lifestyle. Pair it with a balanced diet, regular exercise, good sleep, and stress management. No single food is a cure-all. True health comes from positive habits working together. By addressing chronic inflammation, you're protecting your future well-being. This simple blend is a powerful, accessible way to start. Remember, your daily choices can nourish your body, calm inflammation, and build a foundation for a vibrant, healthy life.